Hi, in this video I will show how to do this love hand's foot with the toes. So in this case you're doing bubble stitches, but you have to make a color change at the same time and then go back to the ordinary color. So I will show in this video how, and the arm is done in the same way. So now I am at I finish round 4 and I will do round 5, and I will do actually this round in back loops. So I start with 8 according to the pattern, 8 single crochets. So, and on the 8th one I will not finish it, so I will just pull up a loop, and now I will do the color change to white. Leave a small tail, and then you will now put the yarn over the hook and then pull through these two. So it will looks like a single crochet still, but I have now white on my hook. And now I will do a bubble stitch. And you can do either 3 double crochet bubble stitch or 4. I will show you a 3, but it depends on how visible or how you want it to stand out. Yarn over, insert the hook in the next stitch, in this one back loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the 2 first ones, yarn over, insert in the same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now you have 4 loops. Yarn over, but you will still just take the 2 first loops. So now you have 3. Yarn over in the same stitch or back loop. Yarn over, pull up a loop in the first 2 ones. So now you have 4. You can do one more, same way, but I will do mine a little bit more discreet, not so so big ones. So I will do only 3. So the last thing you do with the bubble stitch is to yarn over and pull through all loops. But I will not do that in this case with the white one. I will go back to my blue one. So I will take this blue one. Sometimes I have to pull this white one so it doesn't too loose. Yarn over with the blue one and pull it through all loops. Now I did bubble stitch, and then I take the yarn behind and pull it so it's not too loose, and then I continue with the blue one, and here is 2 single crochets, so 1, and on the second one I will not finish it. I will now change to white. So that it's good to pull the other yarn and hold it on the back side so it doesn't get too loose, and pull it through loops with the white one. And now I will do a bubble stitch. So 1, 2, 3, and 4 if you want. And now I change again. Hold this one here, the white one, yarn over the blue, pull it through all of them, and then two, but I don't finish. Now I change back to the white one. Sometimes it's many yarn tails here because of the short one also here. Pull through all the loops. Tighten up, and then do the bobble stitch. And now change back to blue, pull it through, tighten up. And now I did all 3, so now I will just continue and end this round. And you saw I kept myself on the back loops all the time when I did the bobble stitches also. And then you continue. But what you do now is that since I will not use the white anymore, I will cut the white one. And with these 2 yarn tails, the beginning, the one I started with, and the last one, I will now make a double knot to secure it on the inside of the foot. You don't need to use needle to sew it in. It's enough with double knot. And usually I take this from the magic ring also and do double knot just so I can cut the long tail. And it's not so. So now I have tied up all the short ones, so I can actually cut. They don't have to be so long. And then tuck them in here, and then continue just crochet it around according to the pattern. Thank you and good luck.